Once upon a time, when I'm flirting with fantasy, and I said to myself, you know, someone I like become the president of one of them parish then. Because I just think say development thing it is very it is not difficult. You understand? So I got to a parish like Trinidad, for instance, and I said, if I cut up the parish into four, what you gonna do? Not east, not west, south, east, southwest, whatever. And you try and encourage club structure and club development in each of these quarters. And you encourage competitions throughout the course of the year. Okay, probably Trinidad may not be blessed with a lot of business places that can provide sponsorship. So you restrict to like U13, U15, U17, and you have these competitions throughout the course of the year. Right? And the under 13 competition doesn't have to be a one-off. You can have multiple of such competition, and it will complement the schoolboy football that you play later on in the year. Developing players should be playing minimum 40 competitive games for the year, right? And you create this kind of atmosphere within that parish, and that lends to the development. So Coach Price talks about the development of the club. I'm talking about the organization being in place, being promoted by the parish association to promote competition, promote games, and ultimately promote development.